What if the most powerful biological signal you could send was just 2 words? Thank you. When you lie here and say, "Thank you, body," you are not just being polite, you are aligning with your own potential. For the next few minutes, your only job is to yield. Lie on your back on the floor or a firm mat, knees bent, feet flat. Let gravity stop being a weight and start being your architect. Let's begin. Thank you, body, for this moment of total support. Thank you for the floor that catches my weight. Thank you for the skeleton that carries my story. Thank you for my heels spreading roots into the earth. Thank you for the wideness in my back. Thank you for the space in my chest. Thank you for the depth of my breath. Thank you for the river in my spine. Thank you for the softness in my belly. Thank you for the light in my core. Thank you for the balance in my hips. Thank you for the strength in my stillness. Thank you for the healing in my center. Thank you for the connection in my web. Thank you for the breath entering and cleansing my body. Thank you for the breath exiting and clearing all that is not needed. Thank you for the oxygen reaching the deep layers of my tissue. Thank you for the rhythm of my heart finding ease with my breath. Thank you for the continuous inner web that holds me together. Thank you for the intelligence in every fiber of my being. Thank you for the web's capacity to soften and hydrate. Thank you for releasing the patterns of tension in my tissue. Thank you for the subtle light connecting all my parts. Thank you for this resonant body finding its way to harmony. Thank you for the safety my nervous system feels right now. Thank you for the space opening between my vertebrae. Thank you for the fluid that hydrates my spinal discs. Thank you for the sacred river washing my brain as I rest. Thank you for my sacrum pinning my worries to the ground. Thank you for my lower back sighing toward the floor. Thank you for the length returning to my neck. Thank you for the electrical signals traveling my nerves. Thank you for the psoas, the loyal guardian of my core. Thank you for the release of ancestral stories in my hips. Thank you for the feeling of my core melting into the earth. Thank you for the breath that widens my back. Thank you for the profound state of safety I inhabit. Thank you for the quiet pulse of my heart against the floor. Thank you for the weight of my pelvis being held by the earth. Thank you for the trillions of tiny stars within my cells. Thank you for the mitochondria generating my inner warmth. Thank you for the subtle light that glows from my being. Thank you for the constant repair happening right now. Thank you for the energy that becomes my heartbeat. Thank you for the joints that move with effortless ease. Thank you for the quiet confidence settling into my body. Thank you for the strength that comes without effort. Thank you for the way my body remembers how to organize itself. Thank you for the upward current returning through my spine. Thank you for the balance between softness and strength. Thank you for the trust rebuilding between my mind and body. Thank you for the clarity that comes from being aligned. Thank you for the calm readiness I carry forward from this moment. Thank you for the quiet power that stays with me as I move. Thank you for this body, organized, alive, and enough. Thank you for the miracle of my human existence. In a moment, you will rise, but the signal remains. You are no longer fighting gravity, you are fueled by it. Carry this alignment back into the world. If you felt the spark, comment "I am charging" below. Welcome home.